112, we're gonna be in pursuit. Black BMW two-door.
When Los Angeles police officers moved in on a stolen vehicle, the driver fled, driving recklessly through busy freeways in an attempt to escape.
Slow down, guys. Slow down. Come around the corner. You just spun out.
Oh.
Hey, let me see your hands. Don't move. Turn around. Turn around.
Face that way.
What followed is now under active investigation.
Don't reach for anything.
Law enforcement encounters can be difficult to watch. Viewer discretion is advised. Central Patrol Division officers spotted a black BMW wanted for grand theft auto near downtown Los Angeles.
2029, we're going to be getting on the 10 freeway eastbound. Stand by for the interchange.
Officers requested additional units and followed the vehicle as it entered the freeway.
And then when it goes to pursuit, we'll request 3.
Yeah.
Just because there's multiple occupants in there.
2029 correction, we're going to be getting on the 5 southbound.
With the number of occupants and potential threats unknown, they continued tracking the vehicle as additional units joined, waiting for air support before making a move.
2029, can you advise CHP?
Please be notified. You need to continue southbound 5 passing in here.
I just saw the. They'll take primary.
The driver abruptly cut across multiple lanes. The maneuver didn't work, as additional units already in position activated their lights and sirens, and the pursuit was on.
112, we're gonna be in pursuit of a Cold 6 Charles vehicle. We're gonna be continuing southbound on the farm from Indiana. Black BMW two-door.
Frequency 718 is in pursuit of a Cold 6 Charles vehicle southbound 5 from Indiana, following a black BMW 430i. Activating supervisor.
Pursuit around a number of occupants.
Continuing southbound 5 with unknown number of occupants.
Suspect southbound 5 freeway is the number 4, Sonoma County.
The suspect accelerated at an extremely high rate, weaving through traffic and pulling away from units, before attempting to exit again. At the top of the ramp, the BMW lost control and headed back the wrong way.
Suspect is slow down, guys. Slow down. Come around the corner. You just spun out.
Oh.
Slow down, guys. Slow down. Come around the corner. You just spun out.
Just got out.
You just spun out at southbound 5 freeway. You just spun out at southbound 5 freeway county.
Hey, let me see your hands. Don't move. Turn around. Turn around. Don't do it.
The suspect got out of the car, but did not comply, reaching toward his waistband.
Hey, get your hands up.
Replay shows the first reach toward the waistband. No weapon produced, and officers hold their positions. A closer look reveals the moment the firearm comes out, pointed directly at an officer. They responded to the threat. This is the perspective of the officer the weapon was directed at.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Turn around. Face that way. Face that way. Face that way. Don't reach for anything. Do not reach for anything. Put your hands up.
Coming back the wrong way, the suspect made contact with the first patrol unit and a major collision with the second.
Get out. You going?
Additional officers move into position as the situation unfolds.
You got good? Good. Don't reach. Don't reach. Adam 12, we are unable to see anything. He's going to be down behind the vehicle, in the bushes. We got the airbags deployed. We need airship, try to keep eyes on the suspect. We got no eyes on him. Stay on the ground! Stay on the ground!
The suspect was struck by gunfire and fell to the ground, briefly rising without a weapon in hand before collapsing again. Officers then turned their attention to the passenger still inside the vehicle in order to secure the scene. The 30-year-old passenger was found to be on active felony probation, a court-supervised status following a prior felony conviction, requiring compliance with specific legal conditions. A loaded .357 Magnum revolver recovered from inside the BMW is now being forensically tested, with additional charges against the passenger pending those results. His probation status has since been revoked.
Clear, wait a second. Clear. Send him out. Handcuff him.
The 30-year-old was treated on site for gunshot wounds, but despite life-saving efforts, he was pronounced deceased. This incident demonstrates that even a well-coordinated pursuit can quickly escalate into a dangerous situation. Officers have to trust their training and act in real time, facing real danger. Investigators will now examine every decision made in those final moments, the threat presented, the response, and all evidence collected at the scene. A loaded 9mm Glock semi-automatic pistol was recovered, confirming the threat was real.
Shots fired. Officer needs help.
This channel makes no judgments on the actions taken, as the case works its way through the investigative review process. Pursuit policies vary significantly across the country. How does your region handle them? Let us know in the comments. If you want to stay informed on critical incidents, subscribe. We cover use of force cases to keep you informed on law enforcement responses occurring in neighborhoods across the country.